Today I'm just going to take you through a simple video how to set up MetaMask, nice and simple, for nice and easy beginner one. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to metamask.io, and then we're going to click on download, and then you'll see here then the browser. So obviously I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can see the supported browsers right by here. So in my case, I'm going to install for Microsoft Edge. So we'll install that, add the extension. We're going to click on get, add the extension. And we should see the Fox come up in the top right hand corner as soon as it's installed. Bear with. There we are. Right, so once we're done, then it should take us through to a new page. If we just click on the Fox. Bear with, it's going a bit slow. Yeah, there we are, lovely. Okay, so once you go through to the next page, now we're going to create the wallet. So, bear with. Okay, so you're going to click on get started. We're going to create a wallet. Click on agree. Make a password. Okay. Once you're through to this page, and it's going to give us our seed phrase. Just let it load 1 moment. Finally. So this will just give us a little short video how to set up, etc. In our case, you're just going to click on next. Okay, so now it's gonna reveal for us our secret words. So we're gonna click on that. You don't want to write these online. Don't put these in your iCloud or anything like that. You want to record it offline, ideally in something like a piece of paper that that you're not going to lose and you're going to know where it is. Obviously, when you get a bit more advanced, maybe I suggest something like using Stonebook or Crypto Steel, something like that, so it's completely fireproof as well. But in our case here, we got the words. So I'm gonna put in my phrase now, my 12 word phrase. So it was collect, cite, become, nephew, climb, pink, impose, anxiety, beach, share. Why is it missed out anxiety? Bear with us. See if we can pull that over. Yeah. So anxiety comes before beach. Lovely. Okay, so we should be able to confirm that now. Congratulations, we set up. So now once we're in, one more thing you can do, if you click by here, account details. So in my case, this is my test wallet. So I'll just call it Adam's test wallet. Lovely. Okay, so we're into MetaMask. Nice and simple, guys. Nice simple video how to set up MetaMask. Get started. Be making lots more videos. How to do lots of things in crypto. This is one of the first of many. If you like what you've seen, please like, subscribe to the channel. Be much appreciated, and give us a thumbs up if you can. Thank you very much.